Hi, my name is Valentina from Spotahome. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to show you a really nice one-bedroom option here in Friedrichshain in the heart of Berlin. And we're very centrally connected here via Ostkreuz station. This will take you anywhere on the ring all around the circumference of Berlin, as well as you're very close to the U1 at Warschauer Straße, which goes east to west. So all in all, you can get anywhere quite quickly from this location. Just across the street there's a Lidl, which is a cheap supermarket option here in the neighborhood. And just across the street as well, you've got a big park with allotments and a really nice view. So let's start with the tour. So you walk in, and in front of you will see your coat hanger. Coat rack. On your right, the speakerphone to answer the doorbell, your electric box there, which connects to all the lighting in the flat. And on your left here, you've got a small storage area. The storage area also has your Hoover, as well as a bucket for the mop, which is also there, a fan, some light fixtures, and additional bedding, as well as pillows and plenty of towels. Also some odds and ends like kitchen towels for the kitchen. So you can store anything in there. If you walk through to the end of the hall is the bathroom. On your right, the bedroom. On your left, the living room with adjoining kitchen. So I'll start by showing you the bathroom. This is a spacious bathroom with a small bin in the corner, your toilet, the sink, a small cabinet for toiletries, including your hairdryer and toilet paper rolls. You've got a spacious bathtub, as well as shower curtain and shower. This bathroom is completely tiled and also has a window at the top to let in some additional light, and no one can look in from the bedroom either. I'll show you the bedroom next. So you've got a standalone wardrobe here, which is very spacious. Plenty of storage space in these shelves. Double doors with mirror on them. Coat hangers. And some more storage space. You also have a nice view from the bedroom into the courtyard area of the adjoining houses. You've got a desk with a chair and a strong reading lamp, a bedside table, a double bed which is made out of two singles, so it's more like a twin double, which is quite a popular option in Germany to have two individual mattresses, and another bedside table and a mirror. You get lots of light coming into the bedroom, so that's great. Walking across into the living room. You've got a table that seats 4 people with leather, comfy chairs. Painting with nice view of Berlin. Mirror, and a sofa bed option for guests, which is very comfy and which will also sit 2 to 3 people, possibly even 4. Got a coffee table, 2 leather armchairs, and your TV. Got a really nice view again from this side, same as the kitchen, to Ostkreuz, which is just where that turret is right there. And that's how close you are actually, so you can just walk it. Also, the supermarket is literally across the street. You can see it from here. Last but not least, the kitchen. So you've got a drying rack to hang your clothes, which is currently in use. Modern washing machine, microwave, kettle, dishwasher, flat screen TV, and a drawer system underneath there. Plenty of shelving space. I'll show you the view next. You're looking onto an allotment complex there, which looks really nice actually, with an adjoining park they're currently working on. This is quite a quiet street. Ostkreuz station is just there where the turret is, and Lidl, the supermarket, is just across the street. So that's all really handy to have in the neighborhood. Give you an overview of the room. And I'll show you the kitchen last. So in the corner you've got a bin. Let's see what's hiding behind there. You've got a Hoover and a mop bucket. View again, same as in the living room. Some odd ends. Your fridge and 3-star freezer at the top. Plenty of shelving and an oven. Your microwave, electric hob, plenty of cooking knives, an exhaust system, empty shelving here with some basics for cooking. Got your glasses and mugs here, as well as your plates up the top. You've got a dish drying rack, kettle, coffee maker, toaster, dishwasher, which is very big, and under the sink you've got some bits for your washing machine and dishwasher. Your modern washing machine there. Cutlery in this drawer, and some empty shelving there. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed the tour today, and I know you'll enjoy staying in this beautiful apartment in Berlin Friedrichshain, and you'll enjoy discovering the neighborhood as well. So if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch on spotahome.com. We really look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy your stay here. Auf Wiedersehen.